Hi, my name is Christine Peterson. I'm the Bourns Applications Engineer here in Riverside, California. I'm here with Ruben Carranza, the Quality Assurance Manager here in Bourns.
Today we're going to demonstrate the characteristics of the PWR220 while applying 300 watts to this part for 2 milliseconds.
The PWR220 is a TO220 pack style power resistor. Our PWR220 is manufactured using thick film on alumina technology, providing ideal performance for applications like current measurement, snubbers, bleeder circuits, and capacitor discharge circuits.
I'm going to begin by reading the total resistance of the component prior to giving it the 300 watt pulse. Okay, now we're going to pulse the part using the frequency generator, and we have a current capture device back here, which is 0.1 volts per division for the current. So as you can see here on the scope, we have a voltage of 17.4 volts, and the current average is 16.7 amps through this part for 2 milliseconds. While doing this test, we can see that the thermal imaging device caught no temperature change in the part for that 2 millisecond pulse. So now, since we pulsed the part, we're going to go ahead and read the total resistance shift of the part. So we're reading 0.996 ohms, which is a total resistance shift of 0.1101.
Now Ruben will test the same unit at a higher pulse power.
So we're going to pulse power this part with 1400 watts of power, which would be about 37.8 volts for 70 microseconds. Over here on the scope, you can see that we pulse powered the part with, we got a voltage of 36.8 volts, 69.66 microseconds, and we saw 35 amps going across the part. And you can see the temperature of the part didn't even change. So now after this pulse, we're going to read the part to see the total resistance shift. So we're reading now 0.996 ohms, which is 0.010%, and the spec is 0.25% shift. So now we're going to pulse this part 10 times at 1400 watts at 70 microseconds for each pulse. Go ahead, Christine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. By comparison, you can see the part never heated up. Here's my finger, and there's the part. Now we're going to read the total resistance shift of the part after the 10 pulses. So after applying 1400 watts, we're reading 0.996 ohms, which gives us a shift of 0.101% shift.
So here we've demonstrated our PWR220 power resistor, a 20 watt resistor to withstand multiple power surges at 1400 watts without resistance degradation. Thank you for viewing this demonstration. Our data sheets are available at www.bourns.com, and components are available through our distributor partners.